In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. If you are struggling to create new alarm and adjust it, here's how to do it in a few minutes. First of all, you need to pick an app called Clock that's already on your device. Click on it and tap on Alarms section at the top, between Word Clock and Stopwatch. Now to create new alarm, click on this plus at the top right corner. Then customize it however you want to in this pop-up. Begin by setting up an hour. Now click on repeat and click on days of the week you wanna set up. I will go with every Wednesday. Go back. Click on label here to name it however you want to, if you want to. And select sound. Now you can either tap on Tone Store or Download to pick any song you have in your iTunes store, or if you don't want to do that, you can click on Pick a Song to pick a song from your library, or if you don't want to do that either, scroll down to pick any of those sounds, like for example, Daybreak. Go back, tap on this switcher next to Snooze to turn it off or switch it on, and if you decided to enable it, click on Snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take. Now to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher below it. To edit it, click on it. Make all of your changes and tap on the check mark again. And to delete it, hit Edit at the top left corner and use Remove button on the left. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!